So we're asked to factor, and one hint when you're asked to factor is there are 4 terms. When there are 4 terms, you want to check if factor by grouping will work. So our 2 groups are x cubed plus 9x squared and 4x plus 36. And so let's factor out the greatest common factor. We factor out an x squared, and that leaves behind x plus 9. Make that darker. X plus 9. And let's make that darker. X plus 9. And then out of this term, factor out a 4. Or out of this group. And that leaves behind an x plus 9. And so you see there's a greatest common factor left behind, a binomial term, x plus 9, that's common between this set of factors and that set of factors. So you factor out the x plus 9. And the second factor is x squared plus 4. Now, sometimes this quadratic will factor further, but we know that x squared plus 4 has complex roots, and we don't factor into complex roots, so we're done.